Hello taxpayers, welcome back to another short blogs. In this short blogs, I'm going to be talk about who is the applicable forms 1 ITRs and which types of incomes is eligible or not eligible form number 1. Then all the details necessary discuss about this video. You have don't miss this video, and you have to piece of papers. Then you have to be write down which types of incomes include or not include. You see, forms ITR 1 Sahaj. Okay, form ITR 1 Sahaj. It's a who is a applicable for salary individuals with a simple incomes. Okay, simple incomes and eligible of the SSC. SSC must means the persons. Okay, SSC means the persons. Okay, there are you are a resident individuals not for HUF or NRI, undivided family or non-resident India. Okay, a total income of to 50 lakhs. Your total incomes. Okay, up to 50 lakhs, then you applicable to form number ITR 1. Okay, but which types of incomes? Okay, you know about that. There are 5 sources of incomes. 5 sources of income. First head, income from salary. Second head, income from house property. Then third, income from PGBP, means profit and gains, business or professions. And fourth, income from capital gains, short terms and long term. Okay, then fifth, income from other sources. There are 5 headed or 5 sources of incomes you are earns, but here is the total incomes of to 50 lakh. Then you also eligible in the form number 1. Okay, which types of income? देखो, salary incomes or pensions incomes. 1 house property, no birth forward losses. 1 house property, but there is no losses set of years. Form number 1. Okay, income from other sources exclude lottery, horse races. इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेस का जो कुछ इनकम है, यू हैव टू बी ITR 1 एलिजिबल. ओके, एग्रीकल्चर इनकम्स अप टू 5,000, then you also eligible to ITR 1 forms. Long term capital gain under section 112A up to 1.25 lakhs, not short term capital gains. 1.25 lakhs your long term capital gain. This is a new provisions. This period of holding 2 years, then you call about long term capital gain. Okay, this is called eligible of SSC. Okay, the form number ITR 1s. Not eligible, I can explain here. Not eligible ITR 1s SSC. Okay, first point, total income exceeding 50 lakhs. You have to be 50 lakhs incomes of different head, then you not eligible of the ITR 1s. And other form you will be eligible. More than of 1 house property, then you go to another form numbers. Any taxable capital gains other than the new 1.5 to 5 lakhs under section 112A wala. This is applicable form number 1, but other than not applicable. Business or professional incomes, here is not applicable ITR 1. Director in the company, unlisted shares, this is not applicable. Foreign income or asset, not applicable. Non-resident or ordinary resident or NRI, not applicable. Birth forward losses, carry forward losses, not applicable. Deferred tax and ESOPS, it is not applicable form number ITR 1. Okay, the form ITR 1 is not applicable. This is called cases. Okay, but this form numbers, the best for ITR 1 applicable, the salary individual with minimum investment and no complex of tax solutions, the form number ITRs. ITR 1. Okay, this is called basically, and you have to be noted, then you easy to be identify to which forms you are be eligible. Okay, thank you so much, and see you the details video, and enjoy and you learn something. Thank you.